Welcome to my class, your class. Hi, kids. Let's learn English together. What does it mean? What does turn on mean? Turn on means start something. Turn on means make it work. I turn on the light. What does turn off mean? Turn off means stop something. Turn off means make it stop. I turn off the TV. What does pick up mean? Pick up means take from the floor. Pick up means lift something. I pick up my toys. What does put away mean? Put away means put in the right place. Put away means clean up. I put away my toys. Let's remember. Turn on, start something. Turn off, stop something. Pick up, take from the floor. Put away, put in the right place. Great job, kids! See you next time!